Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to share messenger group link. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your phone. As I am going with a Google Chrome, here at the search bar you type in for a www.facebook.com. Tap and search, then you get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Facebook login ID and password. As I have already get logged into my account, here at the homepage of Facebook you need to tap on messenger icon. Here you open the group that you want to share. Once you are inside the group, you tap on the URL box and you simply copy the link. Now you open any group that you want to send the group link to. Here you can paste the link, then you tap and send. And with that, the group link will be shared. This is how you can share Messenger group link. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to share Messenger group link. Thank you.